I don't. I just thought you might have been a little salty coming after me. Why am I stuck loading?
There you
Again.
You weren't supposed to open on that screen. Come over here.
Oh, wait, what is this?
What? Oh, I'm Rob. I was like, who am I?
I'm Rosalina. Stop giving me uncharacters, bro.
Hey,
Zach,
Rosalina was. I ended up winning with Rosalina. It had nothing to do with the fact that I killed suspect in a very dirty manner because he wasn't paying attention.
Bro, don't
And it had nothing to do with Cammy falling in the water 3 times in a span of about 15 seconds.
What happened?
I had 1 stock left against Cammy's 3, and Cammy may or may not have fallen in the water. I may have then final smashed him into the water, and then he fell into the water again.
Was it that? Was it with the one with the turtle?
Yeah, when he was Bowser.
Wow, that's some age. That's why you should get deleted. You too, Zach. Get deleted, son. A suspect, stop. I was in the middle of doing something, sir.
Fine.
Ow.
I'm just gonna throw my hands up in the air.
I'm dead. Okay. I'm gonna have to punish you for that.
Ow.
No! Don't kill my Luma, bro. Forward near.
Okay, this Pikachu is almost as annoying as its last video game.
Bruh. It'd be like that, though.
Let's go Pikachu and Eevee. I literally rated them as my 2 worst.
I must someone make pay.
English Savage?
Hey. I deleted him anyway. How is that? Why is this kill at that Alright. I found the true combos for Rosalina. I still have 3 stocks. What?
I know! Hence the reason Rob is coming for that booty.
Well, you know what? This Spike.
But this goddamn Pikachu keeps hitting me. I didn't mean to go all the way
You're just
up.
flying into the air, waiting to get hit by thunder.
I didn't mean to go all the way into the air.
Alright. I'm dead. Oh, yo, this Rob just punched me. I'm not a fan of that. No, I missed. Rosalina, where are you going? Okay, I was about to cry.
Now.
Wait, I forgot. Hey, I have a...
What the hell did I just go?
Oh my gosh. I am so sorry, I just deleted you.
I forgot. I have a Anticopa story that I have to remember the full thing for.
I gotta punish that, sir.
Oh, so...
Yo, that killed me, I would've cried.
When I was in college, like my last semester, the then seniors, because they were obsessed with saying Yeetus for some reason. I don't know
Yeah.
why.
You killed my Luma. I must punish you.
I'll kill that one. Never mind. I was gonna say I'll kill that one too, but where did that save that? Did it save it to my pictures? Is that where it saved it to?
You killed my other Luma.
Oh, there it is. I was like, where'd my picture go? Crop.
You killed my third Luma. Oh,
Savage, have you not
bruh, I
learned
did
by
not
now you're
grab
not
you.
able to have a Luma?
Alright. Punch him. There you go. That's the stuff. You about to kill my fourth Luma? What is wrong with you?
Nothing. What is... Stop opening over there, you stupid
Thank you.
program.
Dude, that's a true dash attack, down attack into there. 6 kills. That's how we do it, boys.
That is not what I meant to do. Luke, are you okay?
Yeah.
You're just like spamming shit down in the bottom corner there.
Yeah.
Okay, if you're alright.
Yeah.
Do I click? It's Zach.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. I'm both working on this as well as a thumbnail. So
Oh, jeez.
Ooh,
I got Ken.
nice.
Our way is
I got
just.
oh god, no.
No.
We
no.
kill Savage, we agree to kill the
Protect.
I already died. Cause for some reason, like, gotta throw hands.
Always the bird stage.
Protect.
I must get this verb. Stop it. Stop it. No.
Oh, yeah, good.
Why?
What is that I'm Ness back there?
Just
I
gonna
might
let you
kill the
know, I
bird.
picked this stage just for you.
Yes, the burb is dead. Thank you. That's the strat now. Kill the burb.
Your way is not just.
Bird,
Are you serious? Thank you. And he has it now. Thank God. Oh my gosh.
get
I
him.
want the burb. Yo, this. Why is this burb going after me? I haven't done anything. Yeah, Zach, do it to him. You understand my pain with the burb.
I only kill the bird so I may absorb its power and become the
Go the
bird.
bird together.
Bird.
Are you kidding me? I'm done. I'm not playing Ken no more. Why? Who chose this stage?
I did.
You're a jerk. I'm just gonna stand down here.
I'll join you.
No, my bird. My bird.
No, you are not getting the bird again.
They're like fighting.
Somebody get up there and kill him before the bird spawns.
Bird.
the bird. Who got it?
Who got it?
Oh,
did.
come on.
Ah.
Relax, bro.
I think the bird's
Bird
dead.
the
Yep.
bird's dead.
Oh, every time the bird dies, it puts up a tombstone. That's morbid. No, I saw that, suspect. I saw what you tried to do there. Your
Please.
way is not just.
I'm at one stock. What am I doing? Stop it, please.
Oh,
Did he get the bird again?
yeah.
Why did you get the bird?
Because he's camping over here.
No. Stop it, Zach.
I was aiming at the bird, okay?
Yeah. The bird can't get me if I stand here.
Yeah, but eventually your grip runs out and you die.
No, burp, 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 burp.
God damn it, that bird came back!
Okay. Get rid of him. Stop. I got one
Die.
stop. No.
There's gone.
Yes.
Huff is playing
Bye.
Luigi Mansion.
Yes.
Ow.
alright.
He's gonna get the bird again.
No.
I want the burp.
Okay.
Let me get the burp for once. And he said. There we go. Finally.
Huff said he might join VC. I told him he had to put pants on.
Die, bird.
Yes, the bird saved me.
Die, bird. Got him.
Look how many crosses there are.
Oh my god, there's 5 crosses. No.
Bird.
Come on. Alright.
My bird.
It's an actual graveyard.
My bird.
Oh my gosh. I hate that stage.
Alright.
Just because of the bird.
What? The bird's
Very much an
annoying?
assist trophy.
No, yes, the bird is it goes for me. Just me.
It goes for the person who has the lowest percent and the highest stock.
Hang on. I'll
Um,
go back to random.
Wait, is this random normal?
I don't know. I can't. Oh, I was gonna say, did everyone just like stop talking because I couldn't hear anything?
Nah.
I was thinking I said I was gonna switch to Nest, and I got a random Nest a while back.
Oh yeah. Wait, could not begin the battle. What happened? They're nice and easy.
Oh,
Fantastic.
Who has seen The Mandalorian?
I got Greninja. We take
Up
those.
to episode 4, I have.
What is this stage again? Oh, Brain Star. Ew.
Mhm.
So instead of I have spoken, our way is just. God, it is so hard disguising cards for a thumbnail.
That's what that does.
Oh.
No.
Wait, where am I supposed to go with Greninja? Ah. So much things are happening. I'm dead. Oh, we're supposed to get in the pod.
Oh, no,
crap,
no,
we're
no,
dead.
no, 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 no.
Oh.
Yeah, you all get burned when you're not in the pod. I like that. addition to
Teleported
this
out of it.
stage.
I am impressed with myself.
I was
Skills to pay them bills.
How did that not reach you? What is this? That
I
is so
saluted
dumb.
the sun.
Insert image. Upload from computer.
Yeah, I
Upload
like you if I did
image.
that.
There we go. Thumbnail created.
Uh-oh.
Just need to take a screen capture of said thumbnail.
Get out.
I mean.
Mess up the stream and the recording.
Yeah, we got this girl.
There we go. Save it. Close it. Close that. Upload thumbnail. Thumbnail upload. Yay! Oh, do not publish now. Schedule for today at
Wow,
5
the debate.
Schedule. Okay, cool. I got my video uploaded that I needed to get uploaded.
Sweet.
Raisachi is playing Pokemon Sword. Cammy, did you get blown back right away?
Yeah.
He died by fire. Humans aren't made for fire.
I mean, you're a water type. You're not necessarily made for it either.
Oh. I'm out.
Again, he teleports out of it.
I've done that the entire time.
Same.
That's just not fair to Luke and Cammy.
Yeah, I don't understand this stage at all.
He died.
The lava come up, the lava come from the left, the lava come from the right, the lava come all over.
Nope, I don't know why I did that. Yoink. Ow.
It's not like you have 124% up on him, so...
Wait, what? That just canceled my grab. Can you die?
The answer is yes, he can. Will he? Probably not. Ooh.
I'm
You're
head
saying?
The
I'm
fire
out.
got him.
You see Greninja on the screen? I'm gonna head out. 7 kills.
You're gonna catch up to me here very quickly. I think I'm at like 60. I'm at 68. I need one more kill. Did Huff just join? Because I heard an echo.
No.
Did you put pants on, sir?
No. Fuck
I told
pants.
you, he never puts pants on.
We're playing...
I can't join the arena because for some reason the max is 6.
Huh?
Bruh.
Suspect will fix that. God damn it, I got Dr. Mario again!
Okay. This game is so bad.
Savage, who you,
You can't. It's all.
What do you mean it's off? Oh yeah, that's right, we can't Final Smash, there's no Mufasa. Spartan says he's gonna leave so Huff can join.
Okay.
It's up to you, Spartan, you're more than welcome to stay if you want it. We'll just... should be able to change it to 8. Hey, DK, we're both purple. Who just joined?
I'm blue.
We're still
What?
I swear somebody just joined and said we're still smashing.
It was me.
Is that a box?
Yeah, we need to change this
Yeah.
to 8.
Yeah.
You can change settings now mid-game.
Well, currently the
Suspect has to
yeah,
do it.
suspect has to do it, and suspect's in this game. So Huff, I swear to God, with you in box here, we better not have our ways just. Not again.
So Huff, how you doing?
Oh, I'm
Wait,
still
Box
dead
is
inside.
here?
How about you?
I'm doing okay.
God damn it! I'm trying to fix the echo. I don't know how.
It's fine.
It's fine.
Also, Huff, guess what? I'm
Yeah.
recording this time, so
Our cause is just.
Okay, time to think of some shit to say that'll get you banned.
can we not
God,
get
how
me
the fuck
banned?
do I get rid of this echo?
You get a headset.
I have a headset on.
You get a better
You're
headset.
same. Yeah, sometimes echo.
Oh, well, he died. He died.
How did suspect? Did we just like all just body suspect again?
I did. And
He
now
might have been
there's-
AFK again.
No, I wasn't.
Oh,
I was just freaking doing old Smash 64's vlogs, and then someone decided to attack me.
Hey. Hi, that miss. Alright.
again,
How are these missing?
Huff and Box were both not here for the fun times, were they?
I'm trying to click A button. Alright.
All right, Spartan, if you're busy, that's fine. We're gonna up it back to 8 though, so you should be able to join.
Alright.
Savage, it's time for you to take your meds.
Thank you.
Are you playing Dr. Mario?
Yes. I was gonna say it's time to take your meds, and then he proceeds to kill me. I guess that's what I get for trying to shove the pill up his ass.
Yeah.
I mean, it says on the label suppository. That means shove it up the ass, right?
That's hot.
I love how Huff joins and I immediately take the filter off.
Well, you know the filter's going away with me here anyway.
I
so.
feel like Huff is corrupted. Okay, Savage, I kindly need
Where's
you.
the little boy with the baseball bat?
This is not a King Nappy stream, so
No! What is that? That's trash. I don't want my meds, I said. Go to the boy.
take your goddamn pill. You even stuck your tongue out for it.
I don't want Go to the boy.
Oh shit, Cam left.
I said go to the boy. I don't want my meds.
Jamie dipped. Uh-oh.
After this battle, Yoshi died at the age of 40.
Yoshi died to DW40. What else
That's
could
what he
happen?
gets for not paying his taxes.
So let's see, how do I do this?
I still don't get that joke. Why the fuck is that a joke?
Because Yoshi didn't pay his taxes. It's not a joke, dude.
Yeah, but why? What, at least like every other like static meme like that has no meaning. At least has a reason behind it.
Yeah, he didn't pay his